leave-in conditioner, repair cream, and grapeseed oil, and I'm doing a 2-strand twist. This is my hair here, fresh out of the shower, still wet, and there's so much shrinkage as you can tell. But let's go ahead and get into this. I'm also using the rice water. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'll drop it in the description box. So I am now going to saturate my hair with the rice water. Alright, so this rice water, phew, it smells horrible. It is bad, but it works for my hair. It makes my hair grow so fast, and it's getting my hair so thick, and I'm just in love with it. I love the rice water method. So I'm saturating my hair with the rice water as we speak, making sure that I get every hair, every little curl saturated with the rice water. I also want to make sure that I focus on my ends, so I was focusing on my ends there to make sure the rice water did indeed get on the oldest part of my hair, my end strands of hair. And now I'm massaging, but honestly this is not working as good as my hands can, so I decided to just go ahead and use my hands. Make sure you're not using your nails and that you are using your finger instead. Massage all of that into your hair so that the blood can start flowing and it can promote growth. Yay! Who doesn't want growth? Alright, so after watching this video, you want to check it out. I want to make sure you know what you're looking for. This is the Cantu that we're using today, the repair cream, and this is my grapeseed oil. I was lucky enough to go to Ollie's and get it for $3.99 for this big bottle, so I was very excited about that. And I'm going to start with the oil and putting the oil into my hair. Yummy, my hair loves oil. And I rub it in my hands first, just so I can get it to all the portions of the hair. I want to make sure I get the roots and get the ends and just get all of my hair. And I have to do this a couple of times because my hair is really thick, and I want to make sure that I cover every hair strand with the oil, that no hair strand is left without oil. And once again, you see me focusing on my ends there to make sure the ends are done. Next, I'm dipping right into the Cantu. I get some on my hands, rub it in, and I'm doing the same thing that I did with the oil, making sure that I get it on every hair strand. And also porting my hair into different sections because it just makes it a lot easier for me to work when I have my hair into sections. I usually part it into 4 sections. They're not always equal, but 4 sections work for me. Alright, so I want to make sure that I have a band on 3 parts and leaving the back part open so I can start to work with that part first. And I dip into the Cantu and let it begin. I'm making sure that all of my hair follicles, all of my hair strands are covered in the Cantu, just like they're covered in the oil. Alright, so I begin to 2-strand twist my hair, and yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I will drop it below in the description box. That way you know how to 2-strand twist if you don't know how to do that already. And pardon me if you can hear a lawnmower in the background. The lawn service is outside right now cutting grass, and yeah, it's not even supposed to be done on a Friday, so I'm a little confused by that, but hopefully you guys can't even hear it. Alright, so I started on a different portion of my hair, a different section of my hair, and I'm getting more Cantu and working it through my strands, and I usually start at the bottom and work my way up, so that's what you see me doing here. I will say that this repair is working already. I can already tell, and I'm just eager to see how it's going to look at the end. My hair feels great. It's no longer dry like it usually is. I have to put product in my hair for it to not be dry because I've always had dry hair. Even as a child, I've had dry hair. I remember being a kid and people saying, oh, her hair's so pretty. Her hair dry or this or that, and not really knowing how it would affect me. But as I got older, I learned how to take care of my hair so that it wouldn't be as dry. But yes, I've always had dry hair. So for me to put this cream on my hair and automatically it's like a totally different hair. It's no longer dry, it's moisturized, it's flowy, it's bouncy. Like, I'm loving this stuff already. check out those 2-strand twists. I mean, they look great. They're old, they're moisturized. It's going good so far. I decided to do them really small, and I'm going to keep them in for a while, but look how they shake. They bounce all around, and I'm actually getting somewhere in my head. Alright, so I have just completed today's look, which is a 2-strand twist, and I use Cantu Shea Butter, the leave-in conditioning repair cream, which is awesome. I absolutely love this. This is now my go-to product. My hair feels amazing, and with that I paired grapeseed oil, and this is my first time using both of these products. My hair loves this, and so do I. I'm definitely not getting paid for this, just want to be honest. This is amazing, ladies. You have to try this, see if it works for you too. I know everything doesn't work for everybody, but this is my new go-to. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and all those great things. And until next time, bye!